Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Bestlacewigs. It's the same packaging as usual. First thing I'm seeing is the wig. I got a flyaway tamer, an edge brush and comb, wig cap, and a booklet which states the hair care and social media, all that good stuff. Guys, so I have a gorgeous ombre 13x4 lace front wig today, and it is the new Clean Hairline that we're working with. I'm so excited for this. This time I've never gotten like a curly bob like this with one of the new upgraded Clean Hairline, so I'm so excited for this, guys. The color is pretty, and it's 14 inches actually. It's also 180% in density. And let me show you the inside. It's already pre-bleached, so you don't have to do that. And as you can see, it's pre-plucked as well. It has a total of 4 combs on the inside and adjustable straps in the back, standard cap construction. And it's nice and full and even at the end. Curls are very nice and soft. It looks really, really good. I'm excited to go ahead and install this. I was just super excited to go ahead and install this wig. As I said in the previous clip, it's the first time I'm actually getting, a wig like this combined with one of these upgraded hairlines. So I was super happy for this. And today's install, I'm using glue. So don't know when I pull out the glue, you know what time it is. I'm about to be wearing it for a minute, because I really love the way that this wig looks, and I'm happy that it has some color to it. I feel like this specific wig style is perfect for the summertime. It's a bob and it's curly. Two great things combined, because summertime it's so hot, and sometimes you can't deal with all that hair down your back. So a bob is always a good option. And then it's curly. Yes, you still have to maintain it on a daily, but you don't have to be worrying about it. You straighten it every day or curl it up every day. You can just add some water to this and you're good to go. So I actually did, I believe, 3 layers of glue for this, and I don't think I got all of it on camera, but yeah. So right here I'm just showing you guys. Look at that lace. Now, please bear in mind, guys, I did absolutely nothing extra to the lace. It came pre-bleached, it came pre-plucked, and look at how nicely it melted down. Where is the lace? It's just so undetectable. I love it. Like, I had to just take a minute to really just let this part sink in. It's absolutely timeless. Because of this gorgeous lace, I 10 out of 10 would recommend if you're looking for that super natural look. Okay, so right here I was just doing the swoops, and I did very light swoops. Also, please bear in mind, you don't have to do no baby hair or no swoop, but I feel like something with curly texture, whenever I see curly texture, whenever I'm embracing that texture, I just want to do my edges, because it's just the vibes, But to each their own. If you don't want to do that, you just can go ahead and pull back everything. I was actually using 𝐃𝐞𝐭𝐚𝐢𝐥𝐬 gel, as I told you guys in a previous hair video, that I actually use 𝐃𝐞𝐭𝐚𝐢𝐥𝐬 gel to make life super easy with doing my edges. It's quick, it's easy, and yeah. So I was just kind of playing around with the hair right here. I decided not to do any parting or anything. I wanted to just do a flip over look, and that's what I did. And I decided, further down you'll see, but I decided to keep the volume. I did wet the hair and stuff and add some curling gel to it, but I feel like the volume looks really good with this specific bob. I must say I did get shedding, and the end of the hair is a little bit on the coarser side rather, because as you can see, it's processed there. It's colored, so it's definitely coarser at the ends than at the roots, and it does require a little bit more moisturizer. because of that process that it might have been through, and I definitely got shedding. So those are things to definitely note. Okay, so here is where you see where I proceeded to add water and then brushing it through, and just as I brush it through, I still go back in and I kind of zhuzh it, because I don't want it to be like super flat. You know, usually when I re-wet my curly textures, I let them lay really flat and have that wet, flat look. But today, I wanted that look, that juicy, curly look, but with a volume, you know? So that's, and then, yeah, I even shaked it there to side to just kind of, you know, voluminize everything. It looks so good, so good. Like, drop your thoughts down below, let me know what you guys think about it. Usually I do the like super wet look, but today I wanted to just define the curls and still keep the volume. So you see, I just keep on zhuzhing it, and you know, it will dry down with that nice moisturized defined look. I love it. So shout out to Bestlacewigs for this one. I'm going out to dinner currently, so check that out on my vlog channel to see how that went. It's actually Mother's Day, so yeah. Yeah, the lace, super undetectable, as I said before. It's so nice. Definitely, I give this a 20. It's too nice. It's so like undetectable and realistic looking. I didn't do any parting because, you know, I wanted that, you know, flip over vibe. So yeah, this is how it's looking. As usual, you guys know I'm going to be sure to put all the information of the wig in my description box, so check that out. That's it for today's wig look, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up for yourself.